In a garden, nestled high in a towering oak tree, lived a beautiful dove named Dory. Dory was known throughout the garden for her soft cooing and the radiant shimmer of her feathers. One day, Dory noticed a small bird, Screechy, who was struggling to build a nest. Screechy was loud and boisterous, but her nest was falling apart. Dory felt a pang of sympathy. Dory approached Screechy and said, "Dear friend, your nest is falling apart. Allow me to share with you the secret of a strong nest." Screechy, curious, agreed. Dory showed Screechy how to weave her nest with care, using the softest twigs and the most supple leaves. Screechy, eager to impress, tried to replicate Dory's instructions, but her nest continued to fall apart. Dory, concerned, asked, "Have I not shown you the way to make a strong nest?" Screechy, feeling embarrassed, admitted that she had rushed and not paid attention to the details. Dory, with a gentle smile, told her, "Patience, dear Screechy, is the key to a strong nest." As days passed, Screechy worked slowly and carefully, learning from her mistakes. Her nest grew stronger, and it stood tall and firm in the garden. The garden creatures watched in awe as Screechy's nest transformed. They learned a valuable lesson about patience from the wise Dory. In the end, Dory's wisdom not only helped Screechy but also taught the garden creatures the importance of patience. The moral of the story: patience, like a strong nest, is built over time, and its beauty is in its strength and endurance.